Hi, welcome to the Eastern Township School Board series of videos. This module deals about events and calendars in Moodle, part of the Introduction to Technologies for Learning course. So, let's go in Moodle. Now, in Moodle, there are different events, and of course you can consult your calendar. On the navigation bar here, you can see your events here. I can also go to the dashboard. If I click on the dashboard, which is again a very good place to see pretty much everything, here you'll have access to your calendar directly, and your upcoming events will show up here. The other way to do it is to click on events, and that will give you in a much clearer view what the event is, and also gives you access to your calendar. Now you can also see your events key here. The purple one is I can hide my category events, and there you go. I can also hide site events, course events, or you can show them all. So here are my upcoming events. This is the exam for this particular class that's open from Wednesday 18th of November to Friday the 27th of November. It also gives you a bit of description. Now here you can export your calendar. If you export your calendar, you'll have a choice of what do you want to export. You can just export what's related to courses or all events, and you can export just this week, and then you can get the calendar URL or export that so you can open up in your own calendar. Now let me go back to either calendar here or events. Brings us back to the same place. I'm just going to leave this. This is because I didn't complete this, so I'm just going to leave the page. So events will let you know about things that are upcoming, of course. Your calendar lets you see an overview of what's coming up and what's also happened. So in November here, if you roll over something, roll over just means moving your mouse here over a purple area, it'll actually show you a little description of what this event is. You can also click on it, which will bring a bigger calendar here. In this case, sorry, you'll bring the description here. If I click on the month, that will actually bring me the bigger calendar with the description of all the different events in here. So since the exam is open from the 18th all the way to the 27th, you can see all the range in here. Something else you can do here is you can add to your calendar. So let's say, for example, I want to add something for the 30th. I'm just going to click on it, and I can create a new event in here and call this one the test event. Now it also gives me the date, and I can specify the time. I want it to be at 11:30. I can define the type of event. This is a user event, so I can't really show more in here, but I can click show more to give a description. So testing the calendar. Don't have to put a location. I'm just going to click save. So you can see here it added a date. Now this is a user event, therefore it shows in blue here. It also shows up here. I can either click here to get some more information, or if I want to go back to my calendar, I can click directly in the calendar as well to get this. I can delete this, and I can also edit it. So let's just very quickly recap. If you go to the events tab, you'll notice all your upcoming events. You can export your calendar. You can actually click on the date to go to the calendar. You can click specifically if you want on the different activities that are upcoming to get to them directly in here, or you can click on the month to get the overview of the whole calendar. You can also go back and forth, and you can choose if you want to see by day, by upcoming events, and you can also click on new event to create a new event. So pretty simple. Either dashboard so that you can see your calendar in here, or to the events where you can see more calendars and the actual events themselves.